Yeah, we got a Mustang 1968. I ended up installing the alarm system, and he wanted the GPS with the alert on the phone and the whole 9 yards. So I'm gonna go ahead and arm it. Somebody, of course, opens any of the doors, it's gonna set off the alarm. Somebody bang on the window, it will fire off the alarm. Go ahead and bang on the window so you'll see. You got all the notifications there. Okay. Yeah, it has GPS, and from the app you can arm it, disarm it. In case you don't want to carry the remote controls, or you want to just do it from the app, you want to welcome the app, you can do it from anywhere in the world. From the remote control, it's a length of a football field. Okay. Of course, if somebody opens the door, the alarm's gonna fire off, and it will do the start. I did the starter kill for him. Car won't start. If you turn off the alarm, car cranks right up. Pretty cool, from 1968. Give you a little tour. All right. So that's the front end of the vehicle. Okay. So there you have it. Give them GPS, alarm system, shock sensor. If they open any of the doors, it will trigger. It'll flash your lights when you arm and disarm it. See? So that's pretty much it. There's not much to this car. Doesn't have any power windows, any power locks, but it's definitely a nice car. This alarm with this GPS, text notification, starter kill, shock sensor. They open any of the doors, it will fire off. This was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is in this 1968 Ford Mustang. We thank you for watching this video.